Hello. Hello. Eh? Good morning. How are you? What's your name? Eh? Please speak louder.
I say my name is Manuel.
Okay. So, what do you do for a living?
I'm a student.
Student of which school?
Benue State University.
Benue State University. What's your discipline?
Sorry? Law.
What your discipline?
Law.
Law.
Yes,
What level are you?
I'm 400 level.
400 level.
Yes.
Why are you now presenting yourself as a lawyer? Are you a lawyer?
I came to bail person.
Bail person?
Yes.
The last time you came here and brought one petition, do you have right to do that as a law student?
Yes, sir.
You have right to do that.
I can petition. I can write petition.
You can
Anybody can write.
write petition and to stand as a lawyer for someone.
No, not to stand as a lawyer.
But you came here to stand as a lawyer. Is that not so?
You are inviting me to the public.
Talk now.
Hey, question tẹ máa bí síìlì ibo ló ti rí síìlì ẹ̀.
ọ̀dọ̀ ènìyàn.
Àwọn ìdàgbé ẹ̀ ni.
Where do you get that seal from? That MBA seal.
I write my statement when it comes to time.
You write your statement when you come to that. But you are not a lawyer yet. Abi?